Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't post that on YouTube!
Hey, what's up everybody? It's the scariest time of year. Today is
Halloween!
Well, what are you, Leland?
I'm Iron Spider.
Spider-Man! Alright, so we got Spider-Man today.
And I'm the fairest of them
And
all.
you're the fairest of them all?
Snow White.
Snow White.
And
And
then we
where's
have
London?
She's right there.
There's Belle. Hi, London. Are you Belle? Yeah.
She really does.
Alright, so today is Halloween, guys. The kids are dressing up for school. They're gonna have a little parade in front of the school. And then tonight is
Mommy said that
trick-or-treating.
you guys have to come.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you have to come on my command. Guards, if he doesn't come, seize him.
Who's the guards?
You?
No, I'm not working for you.
Alright, so we're heading to school right now. You're not Spider-Man! Alright, so we're taking the kids to school. You guys? Alright, so yeah, it's Halloween. We're taking the kids to school. And there's going to be you guys are going to be in a parade, right?
Yeah. For only like 10 seconds. Yeah.
Well, it's going to feel a lot longer for us parents.
Yes, it's like an hour.
Alright guys, I'm just hanging out outside the school here and we're just waiting for the parade. Look at that kid. Optimus Prime. Look at all these costumes. Oh, hi! How you doing? So there's Leanna. Hi, Leanna. There's Leland. Hey, Leland.
Wait, I'll get it.
Oh, thank you. Hey, guys.
Can you scoot any faster, honey? Try. Try to catch up. I know you're old, but you can do it, Grandpa.
All right, Kel, what'd you do? Kel was in the van. I don't know what she did. Good job, Kel. It's one way to get attention. Alright, parade's over. I'm making my way back to the van that the alarm went off just now. I didn't push anything.
It just started going off and it wouldn't stop.
Well, everyone was looking at you.
It
You
would
got
not
everyone's
stop.
attention.
I even turned and started the car. I could not get it to stop. I pushed every darn button.
You should have come out to see the parade.
I could see it from here.
Oh, okay. Alright, so, bit of a kitchen disaster.
Oh, no.
Carol burnt dinner. She burnt dinner. She's having to dump it out now.
It stinks really bad.
Like, look how burnt that is on the bottom.
Yeah, it's just black.
Yeah. Alright, so dinner overcooked. And so now we're gonna have to like grab pizza or something because this was meant to be our dinner. We were gonna have chili for dinner before taking the kids to trick or treat. Carol's not having a good day, guys. First the car alarm went off, and now this.
I still think you did the car alarm.
I had nothing to do with that. I swear. I swear, guys.
Oh, it's all black.
Yeah, look at that. Like, look at the bottom.
All black.
Completely burnt dinner. So, pray for Carol. I don't know. Alright, guys. So, since Mommy burnt dinner, we're gonna go grab some Papa Murphy's. How does that sound? Alright. Alright. Hey, Leanna, what kind of pizza are we getting?
The pumpkin one.
The pumpkin one?
See it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They're all making the pizzas. Leanna, there's the pizza. Yeah. Is that what you gave them?
Does it come with cookies?
No, just the pizza.
Wait. Chicken, it's mashed.
That's a big cookie. Don't step on the cookie.
It's not chicken.
Hey, look how they make the pizza. Oh, Leanna, you got the pizza.
Pizza, look at the pizzeria. My name is Mario.
Leanna has the
Pizza,
pizza.
look at the pizzeria. My name is Mario.
Okay, hold on. Let me get the door for you.
Hold on.
You got it?
Yeah. Look at the
Leanna has
pizzeria.
pizza for
My name
us.
is Mario.
Snow White has pizza for us. Alright, well, we're back home, and here's our jack-o'-lantern from Papa Murphy's, guys. I'm going to be putting it in the oven here in a sec, and then we'll have pizza. Alright, I'm outside right now. I'm getting the haunted house ready. Whoa! Well, forgot about that. Okay. So we just come through here. Everything's turned on here. Just double check in. Our jack-o'-lantern pizza. What do you think, London?
London's pumpkin.
The kids are working on their pumpkins. What do
No,
you got
this
there?
is London's pumpkin. I already
That's
colored
London's?
mine.
Okay, what do you got there, Leland? Whoa, look at that. It has like blood on it and stuff.
I'm drawing frostbite.
Well, no, we don't need
Alright, so the kids are ready to trick or treat. Who's ready to trick or treat?
Me! No! Drake's left behind! Me!
Hey, y'all stand by each other on this wall so I can take your pictures.
Yeah.
Okay. Leave your pillowcases. Just go stand over there.
Alright, are you guys ready? Yeah.
I gotta get it.
What's wrong, London? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to trick or treat? Alright, let's go. You ready to go? She's ready, guys. London's ready. Alright, are you guys ready? We'll just wait on Leland. Kids are trying the haunted house. Alright, so I'm with the kids and Leland, and we're trick or treating. Yeah! Woo! And we got London this year. Oh, look at all their decorations. They got like a talking skeleton there. Look at all that. That's awesome. Oh, you look pretty.
She knows where to go.
Oh, no, don't go inside. Don't go inside. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, check out all the decorations.
Look, you just farted her way up there.
are you?
Here, Daddy.
Good.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Where's hers?
That's awesome.
Whoa, look at that pumpkin with
That's
the teeth.
awesome.
That's awesome. There's London. Hi, London. Wow, these guys got a ton of decorations. Check this out. Look at all this. Look at all that. Hey, London. Watch your step. Watch your step. Here, take my hand. Okay, up we go. Whee. Right, I'll grab your sucker. She dropped her sucker. It's okay. You guys say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, can you guys say thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, you're supposed to just take one then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, we can take. Well, it doesn't
Just
say
take
how
one.
much to take, but I'm
Just take one.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm doing. Should we get one from London?
Yeah, London will want one, huh?
I got Starburst. Is that okay? Can London have Starburst?
No. So London has Leland's mask. She took your mask.
Yeah. She demasked me.
London stole Leland's mask. So I think this was the house last year that the lady threw me a piece of candy.
Treats left behind.
Did he not see? He like closed the door. Did he not see?
Leland!
So Leland, I don't think that guy like slammed the door. He didn't give you any candy. Why was that?
Probably because I'm kid temper tantrum.
Okay, maybe he's seen our videos and he didn't want to give Leland any candy. Well, there's a skeleton in a tree. Oh, look at this guy. Yeah, this skeleton knows how to party. You think, London? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, look at all these decorations. Whoa. What do you think? Leanna, the spiders. Oh. Wow, cool. Oh, oh, it's right there.
You want to pick one? Oh, yeah. You want to grab one for her, too? You want to grab another one?
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is good.
Whoa, what is that, London? Whoa, what are those? That's pretty cool. Whoa, look at that, London. Whoa. Whoa, look at the decorations here. Alright, so we're back from trick-or-treating. Let's take a look at all the candy you guys got. You want to dump it on the floor? Let's see what Leanna got. Whoa, look at all that. Hey, Leland, let's see what you got.
I'm not dumping mine. I got look at this. I got this Disney toy.
Whoa.
Oh, Disney toy? Yeah. Now I regret.
Alright, you guys, you had your fun. It's time for bed. It's school
No,
night.
I'm gonna eat all this candy tonight.
You what?
I'm gonna eat all this candy tonight.
You're not eating all that candy. Alright, you guys need to put this up. Save it for later.
No.
No, it is bedtime.
Never.
It is bedtime.
Never.
Alright, let's pick it up.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
Snow angel.
A snow angel? What? Or would that be a candy angel?
Whatever.
Oh, get off that. That's all Leanna. That's Leanna's candy.
Yeah.
Where's your candy? Your candy's still in the bag, huh? Alright, you need to put the candy up. It's bedtime.
No.
Hi, London. Hi, London. 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 Hi. Hi. Alright, so guys, go ahead and comment below and tell us what is your favorite Halloween candy. Me, personally, I love Smarties and Nerds. If there's any of those in there, I'm gonna be eating those. Ouch!
What about Airhead?
Alright, so thanks for watching. If you saw this, subscribe to our channel. Ow! Stop throwing candy at me!
Who's throwing candy?
Why are you throwing candy at me?
Oh! That was me.
Stop it! Ow! Ow! Jeez! Oh!
It's Halloween.
Jeez! Oh!
Everybody. Hey, your phone is
Oh, alright, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going to bed. Ow!